Hi, my name is Brett Buddy, and today I'll be talking about hydrophilic versus hydrophobic. The definition for hydrophilic is tending to mix with, dissolve in, or be wetted by water. Some examples are sugar, table salt, and enzymes. Hydrophobic is tending to repel or fail to mix with water. Examples: cell membranes, plant leaves, and bird feathers. Why certain substances are hydrophilic. A hydrophilic molecule or substance is attracted to water. These molecules must have a charge either positive or negative to interact with water. Polar molecules have partial charges due to uneven bonding. The oxygen atom in water is electronegative, so it will pull the electrons in a bond closer to it. This makes oxygen partially negative and hydrogen partially positive. Water is a polar molecule that acts as a solvent, dissolving other polar and hydrophilic substances. Why certain substances are hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means the fear of water. Hydrophobic molecules and surfaces repel water. Hydro molecules are usually nonpolar, meaning that the atoms make the molecules do not produce a static electric field. The hydrophobic effect is caused by nonpolar molecules clumping together. Large macromolecules can have hydrophobic sections that will fold the molecules so they can be close to each other away from water. Many amino acids and proteins are hydrophobic, helping the proteins obtain their complicated shapes. What this means about how the substance will interact if placed in a beaker of water. If you take a tablespoon of table salt and pour it into a beaker of water and you stir in a couple times, the salt will eventually dissolve because table salt is hydrophilic. If you place oil in a beaker of water, you will notice that the oil and water will not mix, and that's because oil is hydrophobic. This is because the molecules in oil are nonpolar, cause the oil to repel water and separate.